Pumpkin cookies recipe. Do you have a craving for pumpkin cookies but a hard time finding a recipe that works? Do you want to make your own pumpkin cookies but you don't know how to avoid the common pitfalls of cakey, dry, or bland cookies? Don't worry, today I will show you how to make these chewy and moist pumpkin cookies. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more cooking hacks. Pumpkin cookies recipe. Step number 1. Alright, first things first. Let's gather our tools. You will need a large mixing bowl, a hand mixer, a spatula, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Easy peasy, right? Step number 2. Now let's talk about ingredients. Get ready to note this down. 1 cup of canned pumpkin, 1 cup of sugar, half cup of softened butter, 1 large egg, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Step number 3. Into a large mixing bowl, we are going to combine the pumpkin, sugar, softened butter, and our trusty egg. Give it a good mixture until it's nice and smooth. Step number 4. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Sifting is the secret to fluffy cookies, so don't skip this step. Step number 5. Now gradually add the dry mixture into the wet ingredients, stirring until everything is well incorporated. Our cookie dough is looking absolutely divine. Pro tip. And now for a little pro tip. If you want to take these cookies to the next level, try adding a handful of chocolate chips or chopped nuts to the dough. It's a game changer. Step number 6. Using a spoon or a cookie scoop, drop turnips of this heavenly mixture onto a lined baking sheet. Make sure to leave some space between each cookie for that perfect bake. Step number 7. Pop these beauties into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Trust me, your kitchen is about to smell like a pumpkin spice wonderland. And there is your delicious, soft, and perfectly spiced pumpkin cookies. If you decide to give these a try, don't forget to snap a photo and tag us on Twitter. I would love to see your baking masterpieces.